Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about mCaffeine brand. What are the different products from it? I bought this whole gift kit from Nika in India, and I really wanted to do an honest review. I'm not even gonna apply this product on myself and show it to you because I am so not happy with the formulation. But I'm going to be talking about the brochure that they gave here. They gave a little brochure about the mCaffeine company, what are the different products from it. So I'm going to just go through each and every product that is mentioned in the brochure here and a little brochure, and I'm gonna tell you if the formulation is right. So stick till the very end because I'm going to be disclosing each and every single product from the caffeine formulation, which is formulated with coffee, and I'm going to be telling you what are the different ingredients present in it and is it good for skin of color or for any skin type out there. For those of you all who are new to my channel, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Meghur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, also vlogs and art videos. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you click on that like button, also subscribe to my channel, and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. You can also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It just helps me as a YouTuber as well as an influencer to grow. As you guys can see, my dog is wearing a t-shirt. I actually made him wear a t-shirt. He looks handsome. He just looks dashing. I love the way he looks. He looks so adorable. My baby. Are you feeling hot? No? Because this t-shirt is of cotton, stretchable cotton, and it fits him so well. Look at him. He's like a little handsome boy that I have. So let's get into the product list now. And the first product that I'm going to be talking about is the mCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. Well, talking about this whole mCaffeine company, they came up with the products which were having like coffee granules in it or coffee as an ingredient, that is caffeine, hence the name mCaffeine. So when it was launched in India a long time ago, actually it was I think around 7 or 8 years ago, I'm not sure. You can write down in the comment section below when was it actually launched because I'm not aware of it. So yeah, when it was launched in India, they came up with this coffee granule products, and there was the body scrub, then there was the body lotion, and there was I think so polishing oil, and they were selling this as a trio kit for body polishing, whole kit for body polishing. So I was like going through the ingredients and I bought this whole box, and I was so disappointed by genuinely everything that is in this box, and everything is just not well formulated, highly fragrant, and then there is different ingredients that are not well put together in an order. And also like when you apply it on your skin, I am pretty sure that you can see like there will be micro tear on the skin because the coffee granules are so strong that when you apply it on the skin, it starts to do a small micro tear. Usually the dermatologists don't tell you this, but this is the truth about using like harsh scrubs on your body. What happens is that it easily triggers the melanocytes because when there is micro tears, it becomes a passage for the bacteria to like come and invade your body. So this is why there is a huge amount of inflammation, and that inflammation can lead to triggering the melanocytes, and that can lead to more production of melanin, leading to hyperpigmentation and black patches everywhere. So this whole thing that I'm saying, it doesn't mean that caffeine itself is bad. Caffeine extracted synthetically can be used as an antioxidant. It helps with the reduction of the dark circles near your eye area. It is an excellent ingredient itself because it helps with like combating against the free radical. It helps with removing the pigmentation marks. It's like excellent ingredient in general. It's a very well known ingredient for anti-aging purpose. But here they added the coffee granules. Now those are huge molecules. They will impair your skin. They will lead to small micro tears, and that is not good for anyone out there for skin of color. You can make your own coffee granules, but this coffee granules, when you touch it, you can see that it is quite very very strong, and it actually, when you rub it on the skin, it harshly removes the dead skin, but also it leads to micro tears. Usually, if you really want to get rid of dead skin, try to use chemical based ingredients like mandelic acid for skin of color, glycolic acid for Caucasian skin. So mandelic acid, you can apply it on the area where you see that it's more dark and you see that it looks dull. Just apply the mandelic acid, leave it for 10 minutes, and then wash it off. That is it. You will see that your dead skin has been removed. Or else you can use like natural brace scrubbers, which can remove the dead skin layer from the skin, which is soft and which is naturally produced, and then that really helps to remove the dead skin as well. But don't use the body scrub from the mCaffeine, because I'm just disappointed by the ingredient list. When you see the whole ingredient list, you even see that the fragrance is at a higher amount, which is quite alarming, because that can lead to contact dermatitis. You won't know now, but progressive and consistent use of high fragrance product can lead to contact dermatitis. And the motto of this channel is to give you zero reaction whenever you apply any product, so I'm not happy about that. The next one is the coffee face wash. Now this one says that it is fresh, clear and nourished, perfect skin to begin with. It is also high in fragrance, let me tell you that. It is formulated with harsh surfactants, which removes the oil, dirt, everything. But if you have sensitive skin, please step out of this body scrub as well as this face wash. This is just not really good for sensitive skin type. But here, yes, it is also formulated with fragrance. It is not really great. And the another thing that I wanted to mention is that there is this coffee face scrub. Now, you should not use any sort of harsh scrubs on your face. First, yes, there is a micro tear in the skin. Second, it triggers the melanocytes, and when it triggers the melanocytes, you will see a huge amount of pigmentation going on, and you won't understand like how did that even happen. It happened because you used a harsh scrub. No one tells you this, but this is also one alarming thing. When you are using something on the face, you need to be very careful if you're skin of color. Even a mosquito bite can lead to hyperpigmentation for skin of color. So you need to be very, very cautious when you're applying something. Why do these kind of people, do a false marketing? I have no idea. Then there is another that is coffee face mask, and it helps with the deep pore cleansing, exfoliation, oil control, tan removal, reduces puffiness, uneven skin tone of the skin. It is also reducing that. It says that it is made from pure Arabic coffee and cocoa. Coffee mask deep cleanses the skin, removing excess oil and impurities, giving a healthy glow. Well, for the confident skin, I would not use this because this is also high in fragrance. The downside about this whole mCaffeine company is that they formulated every harsh product with fragrance, which becomes a huge challenge to use as a particular person who has sensitive skin, who has skin of color, who is also dealing with acne and a sensitive skin. You can't use any of this product. When you have acne, you need to step out with anything that has fragrance, and when you have dry skin, definitely not going to use this one, because you already have ruptured skin when you have dry skin, yeah? And when you use this face scrub, when you use this high fragrance, what happens that will lead to more micro tears with transepidermal water loss, with impaired skin. There is damaged skin because you have dry skin. There is already lack of nutrition and lack of water in your skin. You're just calling a disaster on your skin. In my opinion, the very dry skin type and the sensitive skin, and also the people who are suffering from acne, should not use these products. And there are different body scrubs which are gentler with glycolic acid if you have Caucasian skin, or chemical based ingredients. Those are also really nice, like AHAs, BHAs. BHAs is really good for acne prone skin. That is beta hydroxy acid, that can be salicylic acid. There are so many body washes out there that will do better job, and it won't leave your skin with ruptures all over. So I would say that use chemical based body lotions than physical scrubs. That is very bad for your skin. The box says Bold, young, and confident. I don't know about confident, bold, definitely going bold with this product, but young, not so young. I think I'm just gonna have a micro tear all over my body. And the worst thing is that this company comes in the top companies when I see in Nykaa or else in Amazon. People are buying it. I don't get it. Why? Why would you do that? Why? And I have seen so many YouTubers like saying promising reviews of it. But me as a person, when I saw the ingredient list, I just wanted to throw that product away. I did not even want to use it because of the high amount of fragrance, because of the formulation. I'm not a big fan of this company. I don't think I will ever purchase any of their products unless and until they make something that is genuine and that can be well tolerated by a lot of people. I'm talking about the coffee launched products, okay? I'm not talking about the other products. There are other products of this company, but I haven't gone through their ingredient list. But I went through this ingredient list and I'm not a big fan of the coffee based products from that company. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I went on ranting about caffeine and how not nice products they make. I'm so sorry, baby. So I hit him accidentally. He just vanished. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of caffeine anymore and I'm never gonna use any of their products. I would tell everyone and I would suggest everyone to be careful while using anything on your body, especially if you're skin of color, because it reacts and it can lead to hyperpigmentation. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.